Welcome to Crowded Lab. Today I have on review Encharge. This is a pretty nice looking email automation software, email marketing software, which has drag and drop flow builder and segmentation of your audience. So you will be able to build complex flows, connect to different applications like Slack, or connect to your CRM systems like HubSpot. It provides plenty of useful integrations, including payment systems like Stripe. So as I've mentioned, you will be able to segment your audience, maybe sending a discount email to only a specific set of users. You will be able to test what parts of email works best with A/B testing. And regarding plans, just take a look at the number of subscribers that you will need. You can have up to 50,000. Yep, that plan was just added recently. Okay, so let's take a look at the flows functionality. And let's create a new one. And what I like is that you have a lot of pre-built templates. So maybe let's start with a simple one, cannot call custom confirmation. Let's see what we can get here. So as a trigger, we have Calendly meeting, and you can get email notification, which you can manage. You can choose an option to build a simple email with some variables, or you can build a drag and drop email. So you can put different elements. You can insert video or social icons, whatever you would need. And you will be able to extend your flows, of course. But let's take a look at more complex flow. Let's go back to the flows and let's add new one. Let's take a look at this one, HubSpot Lifecycle Stages. Yep, so just take a look. Like, you can have pretty complex flows. Okay, let's check a few others. For example, capture leads from Typeform and segment based on a value. Okay, so here we can see that as a trigger, we can have a Typeform, we can enable the connection. Then based on a value from a particular field, in this case, budget is more than 5,000, we can add different tags, high value lead, low value lead, and we can create a HubSpot record for high value leads or send emails straight to low value leads. We can wait for a few days and then check the activity by a personalized email. If nothing happened, we can send another email and so on. So you get the idea. And then maybe based on some action from email, well, actually we can check email activity. And maybe on reply, we would like to add an action, like adding to a Facebook group. Yeah, so you get the idea. Actually, I think this is a pretty well-built software. So you will be able to manage your audience, create different segments, apply different tags, send broadcast emails. You can actually create emails, of course. You can build forms to collect leads information. And of course, you will be able to track detailed metrics for your email campaigns. Yeah, so I think Encharge is a well-built software. So it will allow you to build complex email marketing automation flows with ease, even if you didn't have a prior experience. It is an AppSumo Select product, which gives additional guarantees that this product is of high quality, and it has pretty sizable amount of positive reviews. So yeah, to get in charge, please check my link in the description. Please also give this video a like and subscribe for more similar videos. Thank you for watching. See you in the next one.